Hello, dear one, and I'm glad you are here today. We will be looking at 5 amazing Windows 11 features. If you're not using these features, you need to start using them. Let's get started. First feature we will be talking about is Windows snapping. Windows snapping is a feature that helps you organize open windows on your desktop. You can do this in two ways. The first option is to head over to your browser and then open a new tab. When you open a new tab, you then navigate your mouse to the minimize and maximize button over here. And then over here, you can see that there are several layouts that you can select from. In case you want this option, you can select this like this, and then you choose the next one like this. The second option is to also use the keyboard shortcuts, and that is the Windows logo key plus an arrow key. The Windows logo key plus the left arrow key would snap the active window to the left side of the screen like this. The Windows logo key plus the right arrow key would also snap the active window to the left side of the screen. Now, the Windows logo key plus the up arrow will snap the active window to the top side of the screen, and Windows logo key plus the down arrow will minimize or maximize the active window. The next feature we will be talking about is widgets. You can customize your widget by clicking on this icon on the taskbar. Over here, you get to see the widgets on this side, and then you get to see your stories on this side. When you click on play, you get to see some games, and then you can go ahead and play some of these games at your convenient time. You can add widgets by clicking on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you get to see a couple of widgets over here. You can select the one that you want and click on pin, and then it will be pinned to your widgets. You can customize your widget by clicking on these three dots. You can change it to medium, large. In case you want to know more about widgets, you just have to click on this link and you would be directed to a widgets page whereby you get to learn more or read more about widgets. The next feature is a secret start menu. Head over to your start menu and right click on it. When you right click on it, you get to see some amazing features and shortcuts that you can use. Over here we have apps and features, mobility center, power options, event viewer, system, device manager, network connections, desk manager. Go through some of them, computer management. Go through some of them and then experiment with some of them. The next feature we will be looking at is multiple desktops. On the taskbar, there is an icon that helps you view all desktop, and this icon, this is how it looks like. So search for something like this and you can see desktop 1, desktop 2. You can create a new desktop by clicking on the plus sign, then you have a new desktop. You can also customize this desktop by right clicking on it, and you can see that you can rename the desktop. So when you click on the rename, you can rename this to anything at all that you want. So I can say work 2 and hit enter, and your desktop will be renamed for you. In case you want to move it to the left, you can click on this and then it will be moved to the left as well. In case you want to change the background of your desktop, you just have to click on choose background, and then you can select the background from this side. So I can select this as my background, and you can see that the background changes will be made to the desktop. The final feature we will be looking at is this keyboard shortcut, the Windows logo key plus H. This keyboard shortcut enables you to use your voice to detect notes. If you are not a huge fan of typing, then you can use your voice to detect your notes. Another keyboard shortcut you can explore is the Windows logo key plus semicolon. When you use these two combinations, you get access to emojis. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a comment, like, and subscribe.